Vitamins and minerals in food. Their benefits for our health. Recommendations for keto diets. Vitamins and minerals are the main nutrients found in various foods that play a crucial role in maintaining overall health and maintaining various body functions. In the next few minutes, we will offer you information on key vitamins and minerals, along with their health benefits and the foods in which they can be found. Vitamin A. Supports vision, immune function, skin health and cell growth. Sources include carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, cabbage, liver and dairy products. Vitamins from the B complex, which contains essential vitamins such as B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12. Essential for energy production, nervous system function, metabolism and red blood cell formation. It is found in whole grains, beef and game meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, nuts, seeds and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin C. Acts as an antioxidant, supports the immune system, aids in collagen production and aids in wound healing. Found in citrus fruits, strawberries, peppers, broccoli, tomatoes and leafy greens. Vitamin D. Supports bone health, regulates calcium absorption and plays a role in immune function. Sources include exposure to sunlight, oily fish, such as salmon, mackerel, fortified dairy products, and some mushrooms. Vitamin E. Acts as an antioxidant, supports skin health and helps immune function. Found in nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, spinach and fortified cereals. Vitamin K. Essential for blood clotting and bone health. It is found in green leafy vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts and some animal products. Minerals. Calcium. Crucial to bone and tooth health, muscle function, nerve transmission and blood clotting. Sources include dairy products, leafy greens, fortified foods, and some fish, such as sardines. Iron. Important for the production of red blood cells, carrying oxygen throughout the body and supporting energy production. Found in red meat, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, spinach and fortified cereals. Magnesium. It supports muscle and nerve function, bone health and regulates blood sugar levels. Sources include nuts, seeds, whole grains, leafy greens, and legumes. Potassium. It helps maintain fluid balance, proper function of the peripheral nervous system and muscle contractions. It is found in bananas, potatoes, leafy greens, citrus fruits and beans. Zinc. Essential for immune function, wound healing and DNA synthesis. The sources of this important mineral for our health include meat from seafood, such as clams, crabs, octopus. Legumes such as beans, lentils, peanuts. Nuts, seeds and dairy products. Including a variety of nutrient-dense foods in your diet is essential to ensure you are getting adequate amounts of the vitamins and minerals needed for your body's optimal development and good health. A balanced diet with a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins and healthy fats can help provide these essential nutrients. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe to our channel, like the video and bell buttons to make sure you don't miss out on new videos that are in the works and coming soon uploaded. If you find the information in this video useful, you can share it with your friends by reposting the video on your social media profiles. We guarantee that with us you will have a completely new experience with the information we prepare for everyone who wants to be healthy and cheerful, enjoy life and smile, because you will follow our advice for a healthy lifestyle and you will feel that over time, your body begins to function as a well-ordered machine with properly functioning parts in it. Your metabolism will normalize if you strictly follow our advice on consuming foods and drinks containing vitamins and minerals important for normal functioning. Remember that not only food and drinks are important for our health, but also positive thinking, walks in nature, saturating our body with fresh air are also important. During the winter months, it is very important to spend at least 2 to 3 hours a day outdoors to fill yourself with fresh oxygen, inhaled through the nose and exhaled through the mouth. During the summer months, it would be nice to visit a beach resort for at least a week or two to get your fill of a very important chemical element for human health and for the proper functioning of the thyroid gland, namely, iodine. Walks along the coast, early in the morning just before sunrise, are very beneficial for all of us. Then the air is fresh and very saturated with iodine vapors from the sea or ocean waters. These early morning walks are especially useful for people with respiratory problems who find it difficult to breathe in the heat of the day or who are allergic to house dust. We are sure that with our help and with interest and persistence on your part, as our future members in our channel, we will make you, at least a little more smiling and happy, in this difficult and stressful life. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the bell to be notified of any new video we upload in the future. We will continue very soon, with short films no longer than 10 minutes, in which we will introduce you to the important vitamins and minerals separately, so that you know what exactly you need. Also, we advise you to consult your personal doctors and nutritionists about what diets to follow to help you with your specific needs. Each of us has different needs and wants to catch up on vitamins and minerals in our portion and replenish the reserves of our immune system, so that our body can function properly and be resistant to any attacks from viruses and diseases. It is important for each of us to make a self-assessment of our state of health, real and without lying to ourselves that we are super healthy or that we are anointed and nothing bad will happen to us. As we age, each of us needs one or other vitamins and minerals. We will not pass by the families who are planning to have a baby. For them, it is very important to pay attention to the proper nutrition and saturation of the body, both of the future fathers and of the future mothers, before proceeding to the creation of the future new life. In order for a pregnancy to proceed normally and without problems and for a healthy child to be born, it is necessary for future parents to plan their lifestyle well, eat healthy foods, reduce stressful situations in their lives to zero levels and smile more and happy moments. When people are happy and smiling, then they are healthy, not only from the outside but also from the inside. Therefore, subscribe to our channel and you will always be well informed about what you should eat and drink to be healthy and with strong immunity. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Very soon, we will start uploading new videos that will be extremely useful for you. We guarantee you won't be disappointed or cheated. And now, it's time to smile, although you may not feel like smiling, but please do it sincerely. Smile.